tool collection is as sad as mine, you're gonna be happy to know that the Allen key is included. I don't see the instructions. There's also piece R. I almost feel like there should be instructions since things are labeled. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I was getting worried. I was getting really worried that I was gonna have to put a puzzle together. A 3D puzzle.
This is the booty pad. And the backrest.
Can you hear rain? You can probably hear rain, right? There's 3 skylights up above, and the pitter patter of rain is coming through nicely. Oh, the bag is not a toy. Gotcha.
I hope everything goes well.
It is possible to assemble a chair on your own, while having a second person to help you will make it easier.
Turn the base upside down.
Insert the base legs. Everything I just assumed is a toy unless I'm told it's not. You know what I mean?
Enough games, let's screw.
Doesn't say it's not a toy. Next up are the casters, which are the wheels. Shove it, push it. Yeah! Oh my goodness, it's such a wonderful toy. I'm good, I don't need the chair anymore. And the hardest part, insert the gas lift. Holding it firmly with my thighs. I'm gonna stick this in like so, into the hole and push it. So I can't push it anymore, and turn. And then this Velcros. So, it's butt cushion time. So that plops in there. We're almost done screwing, isn't that exciting? Actually, no, there's a little more screwing left to do. I'm sorry. I'm gonna make sure that they're all tight at this point. So then this doodad goes right here. I don't think I've ever assembled a chair. Or have I? Maybe once.
Last one.
The chair is pretty comfy, I'm gonna say that. I like it. It spins very nicely, it slides and glides across my floor. Better than any other chair that I have. So, cool. I never have to get up and walk ever again. So, thank you for the chair. Alright, I gotta go edit this. If you like the chair, the link will be down below in the video's description. Bye!